Georgia was founded in 1777 as one of the original 8 counties in Georgia. And whereas, as its founding, Africans were brought in to build this county, and these Africans came to reside in the Golden Isles, to include St. Simon's Island, Sea Island, Jekyll, as well as the county seat, Brunswick, and county seat of Brunswick. And whereas the population of the enslaved Africans, who are now called Gullah Geechees, and their descendants continued to occupy this region, and whereas these Gullah Geechees have made history by being either aboard the last documented enslavement vessel to North America, which arrived at Jekyll Island, called the Wanderer, on November 28, 1858, or by being part of the Lobos of Ebo landing that resisted enslavement, and Queen Quet, Chieftess of the Gullah Geechee Nation, has done ceremonies to honor the souls of the Ebo landing on St. Simon's and of the Wanderer on Jekyll Island. And whereas Queen Quet has worked with the Gullah Geechees in Glynn County to establish what is now the St. Simon's African American Heritage Coalition and the Gullah Geechees Board of Brunswick, in order to ensure that the history of Gullah Geechee continues to be told. And whereas Queen Quet, who became the first Gullah Geechee in the world to speak before the United Nations on behalf of the Gullah Geechees, and established the Gullah Geechee Sea Island Coalition to continue the work to sustain Gullah Geechees and the culture and land ownership. And whereas Queen Quet has worked in and with the Gullah Geechee community of Glynn County and on this and other cultural celebrations for over a decade, and whereas Queen Quet co-founded the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival with the Kwame Shah of All Mobile Productions, and whereas Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival, which moves to various parts of the Gullah Geechee Nation and the African American nation each year to educate the world about and to celebrate the continuation of Gullah Geechee traditions that has been celebrated locally each August. And whereas a series of activities will take place throughout Glynn County, Georgia, to honor the history and the legacy of the Gullah Geechee Nation during the Gullah Geechee Nation's Appreciation Week, and we join in celebrating the theme of the Gullah Geechees. Now therefore, be it proclaimed that July 29th through August 5th, 2018 is Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week in Glynn County, and witness thereof I set my hand this 19th day of July 2018. Bill Brunson, Chairman, would you like to come forward and say a few words? Yes, ma'am.
Get the sheriff. Good evening, everybody.
Good evening.
Good evening.
Glad to be here one more again in Glynn County. I'm glad that you noticed that we got a delegation this evening. I'd like all the Gullah Geechees who are there in the room. Please stand up with me. Then you normally see Reverend Jack Lyde and everybody else in the family over there. Please stand up with me, all the Gullah Geechees who are there in the evening. This delegation, we the one that we done marched to you for Selling Park. We done shout all in the street. We done had plenty of gatherings and things throughout your town here over the years and things like that. We noticed that the chairman ain't cracking heat and Gullah this evening and things like that. We noticed on the skip the team. Because they said, this your team, this year, the Gullah Geechee. And so we don't stand though, because plenty of time when I come here, you know, the people try to get like this, you're tall. Y'all talk a lot like this here in Glynn County. So I understand. I'm not mad at the chairman that you went on to skip that piece of Gullah that was in that proclamation. But yes, the theme this year the Gullah Geechee, so I don't hold it against you. And you didn't try to say it. And so we're very happy that once again Glynn County is acknowledging the very foundation of the culture of this community and this county by again participating with all the other counties of the Gullah Geechee Nation, excluding Horry County, South Carolina. They're the only ones that don't participate. And I just came from Liberty County receiving the proclamation there early from the chairman because their meeting happened simultaneously with your meeting. And I told them I have to go on down the creek, y'all up a shot, we're going to tell them young. Yes. And so I went there early, got it from the chairman, and then came here. So I'm thankful that tonight I have an opportunity to get 2 honors in one day on behalf of all of the hundreds of years that our people have been here on this shoreline that we call, often people say the Low Country, the Coastal Empire, the Golden Isles, all these terms that y'all have for Georgia. Y'all always want to run upside the Kakalaki, we get you though. But it's all the Gullah Geechee Nation, and so we appreciate you. But I definitely just want you to take note of, even within the proclamation, we fought for a Gullah Geechee board for the city of Brunswick. We have fought to have representation here all year long, not just this 1 week each time. So I pray that in this comprehensive plan that I'm hearing that you are going over, that you may or may not vote on tonight, that there is a section in it that acknowledges our culture and our cultural community. I've read many comprehensive plans, and I know my home county in Beaufort, South Carolina has it in there because we said it needed to be in there. So if for some reason you have not had Gullah Geechee culture written into your comp plan, please do, because this is the legacy of Glynn County. This is our story, and we need to make sure that it's noticed and it's considered even as we build toward the future. So Tanky, continue to work. I'll leave some of these invitations out front for anybody that would like to come to the festival this year. It will be in Charleston, and if they'd like to know about the activities that will be going on throughout Georgia during Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week, they can follow GullahGeecheeNation.com or at Gullah Geechee on Twitter and on Instagram. And you can keep up with all the things that are going on and things like that. And by the end of the weekend, they might be able to crack your teeth like a week. All right? Peace and blessings. Thank you so much.
The only thing that's lacking in this proclamation is a magnifying glass.
For you to see it, I understand. You want us right in the middle?
Yeah. Please come around.
That way everybody back there, y'all gonna stand up, y'all.
Y'all stand up. How are you?
Matches your suit.
Could you read it?
Oh, I can read somewhere. I'll put respect on first.